What? Hey, what happened? He lives a long way up. See? Hey, look. Guess what? Hey guys, wake up! What? There's a dragon! I have to deal with this now then. We're too lazy. Whoa! Take that, slimy guy. Yeah. What you get? Oh yeah. Why can't you wake up and you're still in the box hiding? And the car is right there waiting for one of us to drive in. I have to drive in. Oh! Whoa! Oh, shoot! I think I'm gonna fall down. I'm not gonna fall down. Ow.